Best karma ever. These guys went flying by, booming their music, 6:30 in the morning, ended up in the ditch. Now they called their buddies to come and pull them out, if they can. Why won't you focus? Stupid phone. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna leave their car there. Bud! They're gonna leave their car there.
I'm paying for a record. Get in the house.
The other guy that lives there will probably have it towed.
Probably. Yep, some kid. Screwing around.
Dummy.
What, Junior's out there some fucking where. Oh, I've seen that fucking rig before. Buddy, don't you run out there.